Well, hello, fifth grade. Welcome back from this long and very different type of break we've had over the last couple of weeks. I hope that you are doing well and that you are staying home and staying healthy and spending time of enjoyment with your family. I know it's difficult, but um, God is good and He will take us through this and He will keep us safe. So keep that in mind, enjoy this time together, and make sure that you are doing everything you can uh, to stay on top of things. We are doing a short grammar lesson today. This is for Tuesday, the 21st of April, and it will be due on Thursday. So we are going to look at page 94, the present perfect tenses. This is lesson 4.8, and it says that the present perfect tense uses the past participle and a form of have, meaning have or has. And you're going to use that with the past participle of the verb that ends in ed. So the main verb will have an ed ending, and you'll use either have or has for all of your present perfect tenses. Now, it says the present perfect tense tells about an action that happened at some indefinite time. That means we're not quite sure when, or an action that started in the past and continues into the present time. So it might have started a long time ago and it's still actually happening. The students have learned about ethnic foods. In that sentence, have learned is your present perfect tense. He has helped in the kitchen since he was 7. Has helped is an action that started in the past and he's likely still doing it now into the present tense or into the present time. What are the verb phrases in the perfect or present perfect tense in these sentences? I have chosen some recipes from that cookbook. In that sentence, we have our helping verb have, and then the past participle of the main verb, which is chosen. And in this case, we don't say chose, we say chosen. That's one of our irregular past tense endings. And in the second sentence, Lewis has never tasted squid. Has tasted is actually the verb phrase that we're looking for here. And you might ask yourself, why aren't we using the word never? Well, that's a very good question and something we really haven't talked a lot about. But normally we don't use a negation, a negative word in our verb phrase. It's not a verb. Never indicates a negation. Just like we don't use contractions that are contractions for the word not, like can't, or if this were to have said hasn't tasted, we would just say has tasted and not the negation word. So in that sentence, has tasted is our present perfect tense. Now you are only doing exercises 1 and 3 that are due on Thursday, and these are on page 94 and on page 95. And all that we're doing is writing the verb phrase. So in exercise 1, it says to find the present perfect tense verb phrase in each sentence. Our class has organized an International Food Day. Has organized is our answer. We have our helping verb has and then the past participle of our main verb, which is organized. So all we do is write has organized. In exercise 3, there's a blank for you to fill in your correct answer. And they give you the verb in the parentheses that they want you to change into the past perfect tense. This says complete each sentence with the present perfect tense of the verb in the parentheses. Aaron blank watermelon ice and honey for a Thai dessert. In this case, Aaron is the subject, the person doing the action, and our answer then would be has mixed. And all you have to do is write has mixed. Now please put your answers directly on the LMS assignment page. This is all that you have for Tuesday, exercises 1 and 3. These are due on Friday or on Thursday. Take care.